Okuma is a machine tool manufacturer that expands the possibilities of manufacturing. Okuma's machine tools cut and machine metal workpieces to create various components, supporting manufacturing around the world. This short video will help you understand Okuma in just 2 minutes. Okuma began in 1898 as a company that manufactured and sold noodle-making machines. We have continuously adapted to the changing times through unwavering effort. A future is approaching where components will be made without employees being present in the factory, and the way people use their time will change. With this in mind, our goal is to propose the optimal factory for each individual customer. As a single-source manufacturer of machine tools that produces both machines and CNC controls, Okuma continues to create unique products and technologies with industry-leading development capabilities. For professionals with outstanding skills. To build machine tools that require ultra-precision submicron machining. Skilled craftsmanship is passed down to each generation and poured into each of our products. Okuma's product lineup includes lathes, machining centers, multitasking machines, grinders, and extends further to controllers and peripheral equipment, with over 300 different products in total. With this wide range of products, we meet every customer's demand, from the manufacturing of small screws to components for large aircrafts. Okuma products are made in Japan and distributed to various countries through our regional offices, supporting various factories around the globe. Creating a better future for manufacturing and contributing to society. Okuma values this vision while striving to create a comfortable working environment for our employees. Our company's various programs, such as our training system, supports the growth of our employees. We will continue to grow as a company where diverse talent can thrive. Revolutionizing manufacturing and contributing to the world. This opens the door to greater possibilities. Pushing further into the future. Okuma's challenge for innovation continues.